Hi, I'm Dr. Ernst Van Bergik and I work here at Elwyn. If your child is receiving special education services, it is so important that you understand your rights as a parent. These rights are called procedural safeguards, and they're a part of a federal law known as the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA.
Every year, we're required to give you a procedural safeguards notice, which explains all of these rights in detail. But I want to walk you through some of the key protections so they feel a little more familiar. You have the right to a free, appropriate public education for your child. That's often called FAPE. You have the right to be a part of the team that plans your child's education, to understand every document you're asked to sign, receive all information in your preferred language, speak up and explore other options if you don't agree with the decision.
Let's take a closer look at some of the other important safeguards built into IDEA.
You have the right to prior notice. We call this the NOREP. Before anything big is decided about your child's program or services, we're required to send you this notice in a language you understand.
You also have the right to a fair and accurate evaluation of your child's strengths and needs.
And remember, you have the right to say no. We'll always ask you for your written permission before evaluating your child for the first time. And even if your child qualifies for services, you can decline.
If you're concerned about the evaluation your child received, you can ask for an independent educational evaluation, an IEE, at no cost to you.
You're an essential part of the IEP team. That's the group that creates your child's individualized education program. Your voice matters.
If there's ever a disagreement, you can request mediation to work things through.
While you wait for mediation or a hearing, your child can stay in their current program. That's called stay put. You'll just need to check the right box on the NOREP and fill out the due process complaint notice.
You also have the right to request a hearing if you can't reach an agreement with the school.
You can access and review your child's educational records at any time, and those records are private and protected.
And when it comes to discipline, students with disabilities have specific protections too.
I know that was a lot of information, and there's even more included in the full procedural safeguards notice you'll get from us each year. But remember, you're never alone. We're here to support you every step of the way.
If you ever have any questions or just want to talk through your child's rights, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.